Well, this should be the final video of the dry spots and the bare spots and fixing all of that. This should be the last video of that series. We are looking quite nice. I'm here in the backyard. Here, check this out. Here's the Resilience 2 growing right there. All right, you can see it. It's growing all over the place. But here, check it out. Everything is starting to fill in quite nice. Look at that. Everything. We got a bunch of rain. I haven't really had to run the sprinklers. Hey, thanks for the idea on using those grass seeds, because it's definitely working. And then here, check out this area right here. Look at that. Seeds working. Same thing in the front. Check it from the side. Look at this. And this, that's that one spot we just fixed. And this is the other one right here. I think it's all starting to come in. Look at that. It's looking good. And then over here, this is what we'll be working today. We're gonna fix this spot. Then we're gonna fix this spot right here. And I already raked some of this back, but we'll be fixing all of this and that. And of course, we'll be mowing this today. Yeah, that's looking really good. And then I'll get some seed down on spots like this, that spot right there. And then we'll get some seed down right here and some seed down right here. And like I said, I already raked some of these areas. It was just easy to do it after it rained. This sidewalk strip, also looking pretty good. All right. It's looking pretty good. The seed's working, the weather has cooled down, we've gotten some rain. It's looking good, it's looking good. So, I'm gonna get the front done. Those spots I just showed you. We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna mow, and then I'm gonna come back and then I'll rake any areas that I think need more raking, get the seed down, and then I won't be using soil on this one because we've already put a bunch of soil down. So we'll just get it raked in good for the seed to soil contact. I'm gonna come back and get some spoon juice down. I haven't put spoon juice down in a while, and I've got some other products that was suggested that we'll be using as well in the next video. But yeah, we'll put some spoon juice down on the front there, and this is the one I'm talking about. We'll spray this. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go mow. Let's go. I got the mowing done, the trimming done, and the edging done. This is how we're looking. That's probably the I would say the longest the grass has been all season. And it's because we've just had like 3-4 days of rain. It looks really good. I'll probably mow it again in about 2 days. But what I did was I went ahead, I raked everything that will be putting seed down. I got this raked. You can see the nice silica mixed in with the soil here. Really good. And then if you come over here, I noticed in this area when I was raking, I've put seed down here, and that seed grew because I was pulling it up when I was raking all this thatch back. And I noticed, and now I can't find it apparently, but I found a grub, found a dead grub. So I'm thinking that this, because I had this problem last season, this whole area right here, this was from grubs. I thought it was because of the sprinkler. I changed the sprinkler over there, but it's not. It's grubs. I have stuff that I put down early season. I usually get that in the back sometimes. I didn't get it in the back, but apparently that's what that was. So what we'll do is we'll deal with that in another video, and I'll just make a video about it or whatever. And yeah, but for now, I just wanted to point that out. I've been wondering why hasn't that spot been coming back. This one right here, this is a combination of the sprinkler being too wet before we changed it. It was just too short. Now it's good. Same thing down there. That one's totally almost filled in though. And people, when they come to my door to deliver packages, they tend to walk right through this. It's just the thing. I would probably do it too. You know, like it's just, there's 2 cars in the driveway most of the time here, so it's just one of those things. Yeah, I'm gonna fix these spots. I've gone ahead and raked, so we're just gonna get the seed down. And then I'm gonna take a break for a second, come back, and then we're gonna start spraying. We're gonna get down the spoon juice. Getting brain fog from the heat. It's actually, it's gonna get up to 87 degrees Fahrenheit today. I'm assuming that it probably already is. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it's definitely, I can feel it a little bit. But yeah, everything's looking good. I'm looking forward to doing the bent grass here at the end of the video too. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and then yeah, and then I keep cutting it, keep watering it, keep doing everything. And it's slowly starting to fill in. But yeah, I think everything's starting to turn out well because we got the cooler weather. But let's go. Let's get this seed down. Let's go. Just finished right now, got everything done. So we mowed, edged, trimmed, got the seed, fixed the bare spots, fixed the dry spots. I just sprayed some bees. I already came back and mowed this thing again, and then we sprayed the spoon juice. And yeah, I think we fixed everything. We fixed that grub area that was up here. I think everything looks pretty dang good. Got all these filled in, grass seed down, raked it, right? And same thing over here, got all this area fixed up, got all this fixed. And then over here, I sprayed this, of course. Everything's just kind of soaking. And then I sprayed this side, and you can really see the grass where it's starting to pop up all over the place here. It's coming in. Up here, it's starting to spread. So that's good. I've been spraying wasps. They've been annoying me. They're not on our house or anything like that, so that's good. The Delta Dust thing works. Now, what I'm going to do is, let's see, probably the day after tomorrow, I'm going to cut the front again, and then I'm going to make a video of me doing the back, cutting the back and everything. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start testing out some plant growth regulators. I have one here. Where did I put that? Oh, here it is. So I'm going to be using this one, Primo Max. So we'll have a little video about it. We'll start doing it. Let me know in the comments if you've used this or if you're using it, if you like it. But yeah, we're gonna test some of this out, and then we're also gonna get some hydrochain down if needed. Otherwise, we'll just be testing an area with it. And then I'm trying to think. Oh, we've got the fish. And like sea kelp that we need to get down. That was a suggestion. But yeah, we're going to start doing that and start phasing in the testing out some products, getting some stuff down, seeing what works, what doesn't, and then see what happens when we don't use anything at all. You know, and just kind of test some different sections. We can compare and contrast the two front because they get the same amount of sun and all that. That's it for today. We got everything done. That's the end of this dry spot, bare spot thing. We got through the heat almost. I'm sure we'll get another week or two of this where, you know, it gets hot as heck. But we're cruising towards fall. You know, we're cruising towards fall. I'm going to end this on cutting the bent grass. I've got the web set on the highest setting. So if it looks a little crazy or whatever, it's on the highest, and then I drop it down just a little bit and then finish it up. And yeah, it's looking pretty good back there. It's starting to spread. That should do it. I'll see you in about 2 days, 3 days, something like that. And I'm just gonna keep trying to get these videos out, and hopefully you enjoy these landscape vlogs. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.